Sure is, Skunky. All right, all right, all right. Mayor, where we at? What are we doing?
We're at the Mississippi Natural Science Museum, so this is just like one big, huge nature study, which we love.
In
So
Mississippi.
we're here with my family.
Here with Mayor's family.
So that.
Everybody say hey, Mayor.
Hey, Mayor's family.
Yeah. Yeah. Show us what we got here. Wow, look at this big thing. The Mississippi Science Museum. This is American Mastodon. Wow. So cool, isn't it, Isaac? That's dinosaur bones, Kanka. Look at this big bull up here. Wow. So much cool stuff to see. All these dinosaur bones. What, Isaac?
Look at the size of that tooth.
Wow.
Right there.
I mean, look, Pip.
Look at those other
Wow, look at these teeth. Shark teeth and crocodile teeth.
Whoa, look at
Yeah.
that seashell. Look at that. Look at the size of that claw or a tooth.
Wow, look at these seashells. Some really
Look
cool
at that.
seashells.
Look at this tooth.
What you got, Phil?
Look at that claw. Look, that claw and that tooth with seashells.
Wow,
in it.
number 32. What does 32 say? This a rostral denticle. Wow, Isaac. So cool.
And look at this jaw.
Look at this Mosasaurus.
Mosasaurus.
Wow.
It's a Mosasaurus.
There's a flying turtle? A flying turtle? Come on
Look
now.
at this jaw.
Yeah.
Daddy, Mosasaurus jaw too. Look at that red.
Look ahead.
And that red.
Number
thingy
11
right
is a
there.
amber.
And right there, a
Some
crab.
kind of
What crab?
13 is a muffin crab. Can you say muffin crab?
Muffin crab. Oh, look that crab.
Wow, that's a fossil.
Yeah. Well,
So stinking cool. What is this? I don't know.
thinking.
Yeah?
Giant catfish.
Giant what?
Giant catfish. T-Rex. T-Rex.
What is this thing, Kunky? Wow. It's really cool, isn't it?
Giant gorilla.
A giant gorilla. Isaac says a giant gorilla. You look like a giant gorilla, boy. Giant gorilla. Wow, what is this thing, Isaac? He must have went to the dentist a lot.
That's a serious tooth.
Look at his teeth. He went to the dentist. Look how clean they are.
That's a serious
You should
tooth.
learn from him. Brush your teeth. Let's go. What is this, Isaac? Wow. Honey, I'm doing my job.
Here's a Philippa tick.
Philippa tick. A what?
There's a tick named Philippa.
Is this you? It says Philippa tick. So I think they spelled your name wrong. Wow. Isaac, what do you think, Kunky? Yeah. So Philippa. Philippa. Wow. Philippa tick. Okay. Isaac? Are you gonna let it grow in you or whatever it's supposed to do?
They're like monstrous. Like horse fossils?
Let's do it.
Just about.
Hey, Phil, what you got going on, Phil?
Nothing. Don't know what this is.
Talk to me. I can't hear you.
Nothing, but I don't know what this thing is.
You know, I don't either. Bump, bump, bump. Wow. What is this, Philippa?
No.
You don't know. Isaac, what's this game, Isaac?
Oh, Dad, look.
What does it say? Let me Phil, let me read. It says, have your friend hide their arm on the shelf. Oh, Isaac. Hold the red trigger and slowly tilt the infrared thermometer up and down. When the temperature goes up, you have found your friend's arm. Ah, go back there and stick your arm in. Hang on, Phil. I don't see the temperature going up. It's not working, bud.
I was on level 3.
All right, Isaac. Pip, what you see?
Nothing in this one.
Nothing.
But there is something in that one.
There's something in there, I'm sure.
No, look.
Where
We're on this side.
I don't know.
Yeah, cool.
Look, Pip, it's a bug. Come check it out.
Yeah, I know. I saw this.
Hey, you have to move it down. You see the bug?
What is this?
No, don't do that. You have to move it. Move out of the way. Okay, there's a bug. Look, there's another bug.
Oh, now I see. Okay.
There's a tick. What are you doing? You little scientist?
Nothing. Looking at bugs.
Looking at what?
Bugs.
Are you a bug watcher? Sing it with me. I'm a bug watcher.
I am. My daddy is a bug watcher.
You little snoop. What's
What
going
about
on
you?
over here?
I'm going to do this one, Mommy.
Yeah, you're mild. How do you react to mosquito bites?
Me?
No reaction to severe, big swollen.
Moderate, probably.
Moderate. I'll put one for you. Moderate. I'm like a.
Severe.
You're with me, Mom.
You're not old mild.
Then
Are
I'm
you kidding me?
moderate.
There.
I don't give a bat.
Look at me. You swell up like.
I do not.
What y'all doing?
Coloring.
Coloring.
Yeah.
Coloring what?
Mosquitoes.
A what?
Mosquito.
A mosquito.
Spider.
Let me see what you coloring.
Leech.
Leech. Wow, interesting. Phil, what about you?
Spider.
A spider. How many legs it got? 6.
6.
8. Dun, 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 dun.
Yes.
They suck your blood if you get lights.
What color are you coloring your leech?
Navy. It's either navy blue or indigo, regular
Is
cerulean.
that what color leeches are, I wonder?
Black. But there's no black.
Evie Grace, what do you think?
I'm coloring mine all the colors of the rainbow.
Do you think leeches are navy blue and blue, or what do you think their real colors are?
I think they're black and gray and brown.
So what is Lizzie doing there?
I'm being creative. I'm taking my creative liberties.
Oh, her creative liberties.
There's not enough color for this.
I think your color's a little short.
Laza. Would you like to color a tick?
Hey, this one.
It's easy. No.
What?
Do you want to color something, Isaac?
Would you like to color something with us?
Oh my gosh.
Still at the Science Museum. Looking around. This is the Florida Panthers. We have coyotes. We have a lot of them here. Buffalo. This is a passenger pigeon. Pretty neat, right? Let's go see what else we can find. Hey! Hey, don't you run from me! We're going to see the fish. Kids got a little excited. They took off running. The earth is our neighborhood. I believe it. Evie, what in the world are you riding?
I'm riding I don't know.
What?
A giant frog.
Giant frog. Yes, you are. I don't think it's going anywhere. Let's see the fish. Curtis Family Adventures here at the Science Museum. What's in this little hole here? Some turtles. Hey, rednecks. Some turtles. Ah, some fish, Mississippi here. Oh, this is saltwater fish. Yeah, this is a sheephead. There's your manta ray. Wow. Wow. all saltwater fish. Wow, there's a big red fish. Wow. Keep on going. Alright. Little bitty fish. Yeah, oh, this is the birds. The raptors. I don't know. Blackwater streams. There's some smaller fish in there. Some kind of frogs.
It's like a tree frog.
Tree frog. I don't know if you can see that little bitty frog.
Yeah, green tree frog.
Wow.
Up here.
I can see it. Interesting. More of the raptors. Really cool birds. It's the raptor section. So, Pitt, what you got? Birds. That's a Mississippi sandhill crane. That's what it says right there. Look at that Mississippi crane. Some ducks. There's something over there. Oh wow, it's a beaver. Mississippi alligators. Mississippi is known for alligators. We have a lot of alligators here.
They're not real.
Mississippi. These are real, sister. Look,
Oh.
he moved.
Didn't see
He says, I am real, look at me.
Didn't see them.
Yeah, wow. Living fossils. So this is what we call a spoonbill catfish here in Mississippi. They're really cool, aren't they? They're called paddlefish. Where'd they go? Look at them. Really cool fish, right? We have these in our rivers here. Mississippi. Spurgeon fish.
That's John.
Oh, pretty cool fish. Let's go. What in the world?
Two-headed snake.
Two-headed snake. Yeah, it is alive too. Look at it. Wow.
It was going to be kind of based off
Wow. Two-headed snake. Ain't that something? Wow. Check this out. It is. It's real too. Isaac, look at that two-headed snake, bro.
Yeah, I saw it. With two heads.
until about November. I did get a teeth.
Wow. Where you see some catfish? Take me there, bud. I like them on us.
That was that big one. I like that big one.
Sunfish, bluegill sunfish, and channel cat.
I like them in some grease.
Largemouth bass. Oh, there's a bright bass.
Here in Mississippi, we eat these things.
That's what I said.
That's good eating right there. I'll take a fillet knife and mess him up. And catfish. Catfish is so popular here in Mississippi. That is some really good food. What are you trying to say? Hello? This is a largemouth bass. Really good eating here. Just tells you what's in our farms here. We got bluegill fish. Got sunfish, channel cats. Pretty cool here at the Mississippi. Wow, this is the big fish thing. Look at these largemouth bass. That bass is huge. Wow. Look at these fish, they're huge. Oh, really big. Catfish. Look at that. Really cool fish. Mary, what are you doing?
I'm showing her my board game.
Your boyfriend?
my board game.
Board game, but she has one of those too.
Does your daddy know about that? Yeah.
Had an anniversary.
They just had a what? You got a what?
I have a boyfriend.
Boyfriend. Praise God.
Yes.
This fish here. What in the world is that thing? Let's see. Back in here with some really cool fish. Let's go, let's go. Some more turtles in here. Wow. This right here is a bad son of a gun. We have them in Mississippi. It's called a diamondback rattlesnake. And he will ruin your life. Wow, Pippa, what's that? It's a big fish. Check this turtle out. Wow. This is what we call a Mississippi alligator gar. It's a really prehistoric looking fish. Really cool. There's another bigger one. Really, really cool. Really cool. This big fish in here is huge. Huge.
I made a little dice box.
So we're back to the boyfriend, right?
No, we're talking about make board game design. She's designed a whole board game, and it's brilliant.
Wow. Exploring Mississippi wildlife. Really cool. Kind of shells and mosquitoes and birds. Really cool. If you're ever in Jackson, Mississippi, this is a pretty cool place to come. Actually, it's a bear. So Russian boar pig. They're everywhere here in Mississippi. Whoa, there's something here. They're called Mississippi white-tailed deer. When I lived here, I loved to hunt deer. They are some really fun. These are your turkeys we have in Mississippi. Another deer, big deer head. There's a turkey. Really, really cool. Really cool. What you doing, Conky? Woo! Yeehaw! Give it to him, son. What's wrong with you? Nature what?
Nature walk. I have my glasses.
Mistakes and that's it.
Pep, what you see?
These are mine now, Evie.
People? What kind of people?
Fellow people.
It's people.
It's people? What you supposed to be bird watching? You people watching?
Would you like to join me?
That's kind of creepy.
Just
This thing's about. What in the world is in there, Isaac? Look at that turtle. Can y'all see that turtle? It's huge.
Whoa, that is huge. Whoa.
Can you see it?
Yeah, what? I don't think that thing's real. It's not moving.
It is real too.
How is it not moving?
I don't know what we're doing outside here. It's turtles. More turtles.
Is that are these snapping turtles?
That's a soft shell turtle right there.
Gosh, yeah, what's this?
Made its shell soft.
Soft or soft?
Soft.
Soft.
Yep. Wow, these are just regular water turtles. Look at him sleep. Hey, bud.
Yeah,
What you doing there, bud?
Now look at
Chilling.
that turtle over there.
Here's an alligator, Isaac.
Alligator?
He's got half his lip gone. What happened to you, bud?
Can I see? Can we-
Get hold of a bad female alligator and she bit your lip off? Bit his lip off. Look at that.
See that? Hold on.
Those funny little turtles with the horns on their backs or something. There's one over there. What's he doing?
Taking a nap?
Taking a nap with his head straight up like that? Put that back.
Is you?
I don't sleep like that. Do you sleep with your head up like that? Sometimes, boy. Pretty cool place in here. See it?
Boo. Yeah.
Now we're headed out to the dinosaur park. Let's go see what we can see. Where are you going, boy? Isaac, this way, Conky. I think.
Ow.
Yeah.
Hey girls, you're supposed to go this way.
So, what do you think of the Mississippi Science Museum?
I enjoy it. It's very educational, and I like the snake.
Yeah, you like the snake, the two-headed
It's
snake?
21 years old. It's an ancient snake.
Wow, it's almost as old as us.
No, not nearly.
About half overall.
So, Lee, tell us about the dinosaurs.
So we're now on the dinosaur trail. As you can see, they're roaring and flying and other things. So come on, let's go. Here is a Nodosaurus. Can you hear them? I told you. Dun, 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 dun. Raptors, I hear the raptors are coming. Amanda, you better watch out.
Thanks for joining us on our adventure today. We hope you enjoyed exploring with the Curtis family. If you want to see more of our adventures, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Don't miss out on any of the fun. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.